welcome everyone. In today's class, we are going to learn one more pattern of Kalamkari art. Okay, it is a flower pattern, flower with leaves and some small mango design. Now, what are the material we need? We need a thin brush. Thin means real thin. We need black color. We need red color, pink color, blue, green, any shade of green, any shade of yellow, peacock blue and white. And in between we will see if we need anything else. Like we may need light blue or other shades of blue or orange or something, we will tell. So first step is to draw a circle. I'll draw a circle with pen. Here, this is my compass. So first we find the center of the art piece. If it is a paper, draw the diagonals and wherever they are intersecting, that is the center. Okay, if it is a round plate like this is a wooden plate on which I am painting. Okay, it's a wooden plate. So what I have done, I have drawn various diameters. I drew at least 10-15 diameters before starting the painting. And wherever they all were intersecting, that is my center. So I found, I'll draw in pen so that you all can see. I found this was the center. Okay, it was only just a small circle. Then next circle was 1 centimeter diameter. Next was 1.5 centimeter diameter. Then next was 3 centimeter diameter. These are all approximate. If you have a bigger piece, please draw bigger ones. If you have a smaller one, then draw the smaller. My fifth one is actually 5.5 centimeter. First, just draw a small circle in the center of your paper. Then draw 1 centimeter diameter. Then next one you draw 1.5 here. Then next is 2.5. You can change the measurements according to your wish. There's no rule that you have to draw same measurement. Now I'm not drawing, but I request all of you to draw this circle. I also drew, its value is 5.5. First, I have also drawn it on a paper, then I traced it on the wooden piece. The one which I am drawing has 11 centimeter diameter. So we have drawn the basic circles. In Kalamkari painting, which is done on the cloth, we don't use white color. The cloth's white color is left and that is used as a white color. This is the top part of painting because this wooden board has this hanging arrangement. So I'll keep it this way right now and I'll draw petals. Actually, in Kalamkari, we use natural vegetable dyes and they were discovered by our ancestors. And they put in lots of effort, persistence. Natural dyes can be found in various different places. There are around 500 colors giving plants, but only few are found in abundance, which are cost effective and produce good color, which can be used in textile industries. So the first one, which is most important, myrobalan is actually a fruit which can be obtained from Termininia chabula, which is basically forms a pale yellow, greenish yellow color. It also acts as a natural mordant and is used in textile. And it is available in powder form, and so people buy it and they make their own fabric. Then other one is Kasim Karam, which is black color, is obtained from jaggery, rusted iron filings and water. Initially, these materials are immersed in water and allowed to settle for around 15 to 20 days. The reaction is giving us this black color, and it is a permanent black color because of this reaction. Indigo blue is said to be most ancient natural dye, which is obtained from indigo leaves, which is mixed with locally available sand near river banks and allowed to settle and then filtered. The filtered solution is mixed with indigo leaves and left for around 21 days. If process is done in less than 21 days, then indigo color is either very dull or too dark. So 21 days is the approximate time for the right shade of indigo blue. Now next color, the reddish color is obtained from a pomegranate and locally it is called Karakapu. So color what we get is exactly golden yellow color. The upper part of the fruit pomegranate, also called persistent calyx, which is finely powdered and mixed with water, stirred and then boiled to high temperatures, where it becomes a fine paste and it's then stored. After a week's time, fine paste is then squashed by hand and yellow color is produced. Now, how do we get rosemary color? Katechu is the local name. Suryada Chakka. I don't know, I may be wrong in pronunciation. It is mixed with alum, initially soaked in water for minimum of 3 days, and till it becomes soft, it is boiled until a point and then stored for 8-10 days, which is then ready to use. Okay, so that is how we get rosemary color. How do we get gray color? We get gray color. Alum is mixed with water in the ratio 1:4. Then how do we get red color? Algerian is a chemical which is available in the market. In olden days, the seeds of pomegranate, alum and bark of mango tree was mixed to make red color. Green is obtained by mixing yellow and blue, and yellow and black forms a more lighter shade of green in Kalamkari art. Now in border, we are making the mango carry design, Mamambi, and around this I'm going to give a curved border. Kalamkari in its current form, where roses dyed fabrics are hand painted, is believed to have originated in the 8th century AD. So it's very old art form. After doing this much, I'll start painting and I'll show you the various colors positions so that we can do it. This is the ordinary brush which you get everywhere in stationery shops. It is 000 number brush. So I'll start with the red color. We will leave one pattern empty. Now we are coming to second round. So we can use other color here. I'm going to use golden yellow color. I'm using acrylic paints. You can use any paints. So we have done this circle. Now I'm coming back to red color. This is wooden surface, so we may have to give second coat of paint. On paper, there's no need. Wherever our outline is hidden, we'll use the black color and give the outline again once this red color is dry. Wherever shape is incorrect, we will make it all right now, and then we can always give the outline again. Our center part is ready. Let's come to this center one. Here I'm filling yellow color. Now we are starting with the flower. So Kalamkari in its current form, where resist dyed fabrics are hand painted, is believed to have originated in the 8th century AD. Though painted fabrics have been discovered in Indus Valley civilization, this was a time when religious traditions and tales from Hindu mythology were getting connected to Europe, and Kalamkari had lots of importance in our temples. Like in churches, you have seen the work on the mirrors, stained glass paintings. That time, Kalamkari was done on the walls of Indian temples and it was in a very beautiful form that time. When the British came to India, they found this art very attractive and it was so appealing that they thought to use this design in premier trade textile, and it was given the name chintz, Chintz, and it became very popular in England and France, and they started liking these designs. There was a French lady who was very high profile lady, Madame de Pompadour in France. She adopted it for dress and furnishing, and then it became very popular to hang tree of life and other things in their houses. When we make a Kalamkari painting, a total of 23 steps are required to be followed to make the art of Kalamkari come to life. These steps are dyeing, bleaching, hand painting, block painting, starching, cleaning, fixation, and we use more Kalamkari patterns like peacock, flora, depictions from Hindu epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata. The base color of Kalamkari fabric is always off-white because it is prepared with myrobalan and buffalo milk. If the base is in any other color, we can safely say it is an imitation. Because buffalo milk is used throughout the process, the fabric has a peculiar odor. I hope you liked today's tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing Vandana's art. Dhanyavad.